Todo forever
Alam ko
for
na ng
life.
title ng vlog.
Ang aming
When
mga
Mommy Vlogs.
At ako naman, ang iyong lingkod.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want some love, just let me know.
Good afternoon, ladies and gents. It's Sunday, so it's family day. We'll have dinner outside. See you guys.
Oh, papunta na kami sa... Pero parang wala lang. Kanya,
Saan ba tayo?
pupunta kami kay Lola Norse.
Alam mo kung saan pumunta?
Oo naman. Punta kami kay Lola Norse. Doon kami magdi-dinner ngayon. Ito ang aming driver. Ang aming daddy. Ito yung aking bunso. Nakatutok sa kanya forever na cellphone. At ito yung aking pangalawang Kuya Eddie. For life din naman yung cellphone. At lalo na ito ang aking panganay. Todo forever
Alam ko
for
na ng
life.
title ng vlog.
Ang aking
When Mommy Vlogs.
At ako naman, ang iyong lingkod. Now, this is
When
my
the
first vlog.
When the Mother Vlogs. On the bridge. Hindi ko na nakita.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.
Oh, eh? Ba yan?
Kasi walang ano eh, yung stripes.
Vlog ka naman. Ayun na, yung Lola Norse na sa yellow.
Ayan na agad.
Oo.
Hindi, kakain ako nun.
Kawawa ka naman.
Yung laman lang.
Ganda,
So
no?
guys, eh, full. Ray, hindi ka na? Kuya.
We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
Okay guys, we are done. That's a short video here at Lola North for our dinner. Thank you for your precious time, and as usual, see you in our next vlog. Please like, comment, share, of course, subscribe. Peace.
Dapat nga wala nang effect sa'yo kasi laki ng mga mata mo. Ano mga tama?
Mas sensitive na yan.
Yung mga taba.
Hindi mo naman nasobrahan na.
Diba? Si Daddy din naman ginagawa pa niya dahil.
Grabe.
Bakit kahit sa leeg? Okay. Where's the bathroom? I can't see it. You ask nga.